Good morning, class. Today again I am going to teach you English language. Lesson number 8, the use of V1. Lesson number 8 in English grammar, the use of V1. This chapter we have done 2-3 days back. Now we are going to continue this chapter again. Lesson number 8, the use of V1. Lesson number 8, the use of V1. Lesson number 8, the use of V1 English grammar. We use V1 for I, we, you and a plural subject. We use V1 with E, S or S for a singular subject. We use V1 with S or ES for a singular subject. Like cats love milk. It is a plural, so we write cats. A cat loves milk. It is a singular, so we write cat. Cows eat grass. It is plural sentence. A cow eats grass. It is a singular sentence. We use V1 to talk about things we do again and again or as a habit. She wears simple clothes. Dave goes to school daily. Children play in the park. She wears simple clothes. Dave goes to school daily. Children play in the park. We use V1 to talk about things that are generally true. Lions live in forests. Lions live in forests. The rose smells sweet. The rose smells sweet. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Most verbs take S in the singular forms. Call plus S is equal to calls. Say, says, dig, digs, pay, pays, tell, tells, buy, buys, play, plays, look, looks, open, opens, work, works, walk, walks, bring, brings, break, breaks. Some other verbs takes in es in the singular form, like finish plus es, finishes. Do plus es, does. Pushes, teaches, touches, goes, catches, reaches, watches. The S of some verbs changes into ES in the singular. The Y of some verbs changes into IES in the singular form. Like carry, we will remove Y and write IES. Carries, fly, flies, cry, cries, fry, fries, reply, replies, try, tries, dry, dries, hurry, hurries, marry, marries. Write each sentence in 3 different ways, as shown above. Like boys fly kites, boys do fly kites, boys do not fly kites, boys don't fly kites. Now in the first sentence, he tells a lie. He does tell a lie. He does not tell a lie. He doesn't tell a lie. Number second, I sleep at night. I do sleep at night. I do not sleep at night. I don't sleep at night. Nazuk works hard. Nazuk works hard. Nazuk does work hard. Nazuk does not work hard. Nazuk doesn't work hard. My friend helps me. My friend does help me. My friend does not help me. Friend doesn't help me. Atul makes mistakes. Atul does make mistakes. Atul does not make mistakes. Atul doesn't make mistakes. Now fill in the blanks with do or does. It does not rain in winter. They do not go to school. Coffee does not grow here. This tree does not give any fruit. Good boys do not laugh at others. She does not live with her brother. These shops do not open on Sundays. We do not make friends with bad boys. Fill in the blanks with do or does. Do you eat meat? Question mark. Do farmers grow crops? Put a question mark. Does she live with her brother? With her brother. Does the sun shines at night? You put a question mark. Do they work on Sunday? Question mark. Children, you will do this exercise in your revision notebook and please start learning whatever lesson is being revised so that you are prepared for your half-yearly examination. Thank you. Have a good day.